the second half of the update video for the teardown. So I'm first going to start off, still kind of a bit messy and shit, but got CJ's box of wires. This is actually a really massive box too, so let's see what the box is. Got the two boxes, the SSL 15s, got some receivers that's took apart. See, Diamond Audio 15 I'm going to be using sooner than later. Here's the camera that I actually should be using, but I don't for some reason. And here's the system update. I'll really get everything out. Here's the Rockford amp, my Yamaha receiver. Turn this thing on, I'm going to show you in a second. Alright, let's turn this thing on. So we'll find the switch. Doesn't that just look mean? Turn this on. And the Rockford amp is on. That's pretty much about it. That's all this update will include. I'll have the test video posted up later on as well. I have this thing banging pretty hard. I have the SSLs. Love that sign. Just gotta finish situating everything. Finally got some wire crimpers, terminals. Just like I have this thing wired in. You can't see it, but yeah, I'm gonna eventually upgrade to probably 4 gauge or 8 gauge, something like that. Alright.